Welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to bring you a first impressions try on the new Shiseido Syncro Skin Radiant Lifting Oil-Free Foundation. I got it in the shade 210 Birch and then the Syncro Skin Soft Blurring Primer as well. So that's what I have on my face if you guys want to watch me apply it. And here are my thoughts on the foundation. We're going to go ahead and get started. New Shiseido Syncro Skin Radiant Lifting Oil-Free Foundation. That was a lot. And the Syncro Skin Soft Blurring Primer. They were just released not too long ago. I got sent these from Influencer and Shiseido. So I just thought I would share my first impressions with you guys. So as you can tell, my face looks like crap. And I'm just like, whatever. I'm still going to film. So with that being said, I've already moisturized, but I am going to add a little bit more. I did my eye makeup first. I just used the ABH Soft Glam palette. So I'm going to let that sit for 1 second, well about 15, and then we'll try the primer. Why that does set though, I'll go ahead and tell you what the primer says. Claims to smooth and blur, help visibly reduce the appearance of pores, reduce shine, weightless, and with a silky smooth texture. So it just says smoothing evenly all over your face, apply with your fingertips. So that's what we're gonna do. This is what she looks like. This type of dropper, I guess. Let's see what she feels. Okay. She's like a white. It's it reminds me of the Hangover primer. Yeah, the Too Faced Hangover one. Let's see how this looks. Okay, no. It looks like the Too Faced Hangover, but it's applying more like a gel. That's how it feels. Like when you put it on the skin, the texture of it changes. Oh, it is very silky. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead, and then I'm gonna actually do a little bit more on my cheek too. It definitely has a different texture once it's on your skin. So I'm gonna just take a little bit more, literally just like a little dot, and apply it a little bit more where all my scarring is. Right there. Tap it in and let it sit for a second. Okay, so I think that's pretty much set in or sunk into our skin. I don't feel anything actually. So let's start with the foundation. This is what she looks like. All it says in the box is to twist cap to unlock and lock pump. It just says oil-free, SPF of 30, and that's it. Lift your skin with light adjusting radiance. Shiseido light adjusting technology instantly adapts and responds to every light source to smooth and diffuse lines and create a luminous lifted effect on the skin. All day wear, weightless comfort. Medium to full buildable coverage. This is what she looks like. They sent me the shade 210 Birch, and it says shake well before use, twist cap to unlock and lock, and then wipe dispenser after use. So let's shake her up. Alright, so I unlocked her, and I'm just going to put it on directly on my face, I guess, and blend out with a beauty blender. I was going to use a brush, but I don't have one clean, so beauty blender today. She's got some good coverage. That's with about like probably one full pump. I did it at like a half pump each. Let's go ahead and do the other side real quick. This is just the probably like one pump on each side, I can still see some of my redness coming through right here. So we're gonna try and build her up a little bit. I'm just gonna do like another half pump and see if I can get a little bit more coverage on my forehead and cheeks. And I'm sure if I had a brush, I probably wouldn't have to go in twice. But we're using a beauty blender today, so it is a little yellow for me. But that's okay. I thought I was, you know, I thought I had picked out a good color, but it's not too bad. It's just a little yellow. So, let me move that back. What I'm going to do now, since I like how that looks, I wonder how it's going to wear. It builded up pretty nicely. My skin is looking pretty bad, so I'm not going to blame the foundation, but I think it looks good. My skin looks, she looks like she's got a little healthy glow going on right now. So I am just going to run through and apply some concealer on camera with you guys so we can see how it looks. And then I'll add a little bit of powder to set that. And then I'm going to finish the rest of my face, so my bronzer and blush off camera, and we'll come back and see how the foundation looks. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the Born This Way concealer right here. Very, very nicely. Yep. This foundation is nice. I'm so glad I got sent this. Today's like the first day in forever I did my eye makeup before, but I knew I was just gonna come on today just to try out the foundation. Okay, so that concealer laid really nicely on top of the foundation. You guys, I'm really liking this. I'm really liking it. So let's just go ahead and set it. I'm just going to use the Dermablend Translucent, trying to use the rest of this up. Okay. The powder did not break up at all. It looks really good. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with this powder too, and then show you guys what it looks like before I finish off camera. So yeah, but let's just talk about how it looks. And she looked pretty good. I'm not sure if it's like, I think it's both products together, the primer and the foundation. They're just looking really good together on me. So I'm going to finish my makeup off camera, my bronzer and blush and my lips, come back, show you, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I finally finished the rest of my makeup. I did use the Becca Be a Light palette. This is in light to medium. I just used the blush and the bronzer contour shade. That's all I used. And then I went in with a little bit of the Becca Rose Quartz highlighter on my nose. And I just have a gloss on and a nude lipstick. So let's talk about the foundation and the primer right here. And first impressions, I like it. I think it does have a blurring effect, and especially right here, although you can still see, you know, those, I think it did a really good job of blurring it right here. Yeah, what do you guys think? I think it did a pretty good job. So, you know, my skin is dry, texture, acne scars, all that, so you can see how she looks. Like I said, you can still see the acne coming through, but it's as good as it's gonna get today. But I definitely like it. I'm definitely gonna continue to use it and use this baby with different foundations. I'm thinking I want to try her with the Giorgio Armani one, but we'll see. I was just excited to get this in the mail and try them out. Like I said, it was in 210 Birch, which I think was a little too yellow for me. I think it looks alright now that everything else is on, but I just can't get over right here. I think it looks really good right there. And it may be just the combo of the concealer and powder and all that, but whatever it was, it looks good. That's it for today. I really like how my makeup looks, so I gotta go pick up Jake from school, but that's all for today. So thank you guys so much for watching my little first impressions on the new Shiseido Syncro Skin Radiant Oil-Free Foundation. I actually remembered all of it, so yeah. And I will see you guys in my next video.